Unong ai ktiin ke National People's Party NPP ba HM Shangpliang ne kesngi ulaong ba ki Samla Pule ke jela kim Donkam Shuh ya ka Eksam Cuet hadian ba ke Education Ministry jong ka Sarkar India kala pentip balak pelat ya ka Meghalaya na ka kendon jong ka Cuet. Hakajuk kapor ubak Shangpliang ulaong ba kini ka urlong da ka jing tribor ba jong menteri rang ba bat menteri ke tenat Pule puthi ke Sarkar jela urakam isang ma.
Good afternoon, friends. On behalf of the NPP, as a spokesperson, I would like to sincerely thank the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Education Minister for helping in getting the exemptions for the CUET exams. I would like to inform all our student friends that the CUET exam have been exempted by the Government of India and by the UGC, and therefore it is a matter of delight and a matter of happiness, particularly for our student friends who are awaiting admissions in various colleges for their different courses. I would like to appeal to all the students who are awaiting admissions to immediately get themselves admitted and enrolled in the various colleges, since the CUET exams have been exempted for them, and for which we have seen in the last few weeks that there has been a lot of anxiety among the students for those who have not been able to sit for the CUET exams, and also for those who sat the CUET exams. There has been a lot of problem for them. That is why the Honorable Chief Minister has personally taken up this matter with the Union Minister of Education. And we are very, very delighted today that the Union government has given the exemption to all the colleges in the state of Meghalaya where CUET exams have been exempted. And therefore, my appeal to all the student friends to immediately get themselves admitted in the colleges. Thank you so much.